Cory Suttle. I'm one of the school resource officers with Lakeland Police Department. A couple of weeks ago, I was out here at Magnolia Montessori, and we had to move a couple of picnic tables because just the weathering had rotted them to a point that they were unsafe for the kids to sit on. I shot a quick text message over to Jason Van Orden, the general manager at Lowe's on the south side, and I said, what would it take to talk you into donating a couple of picnic tables to an elementary school? And his reply was, you just did. So with very little effort on my part, thanks to Jason and the folks at Lowe's, I was able to get a couple of picnic tables to bring out here so that the teachers and students can use their outdoor classroom, the garden and everything to enrich the learning experience for the kids here.
Cory Suttle reached out to me and said, hey, what can we do to donate some picnic tables? And I said, you just did what you had to do in asking, and we'll gladly donate. And it's our pleasure to do it. It's fun. You see all the kids smiling. They don't have to sit on it. It's a safety piece. The school had some tables that are falling apart, and now they can come in here and they'll have some fun with it. And it's our pleasure to do it.
Montessori is about, the curriculum is about being outside and bringing the outdoors in and vice versa. So the kids are constantly outside. Part of their learning is in the garden. And here in Florida, some of the supplies don't last as long, like the picnic tables. So our SRO officer mentioned that Lowe's would donate. And so we were happy to accept those as part of the learning environment. Instead of always being at a desk, a picnic table is a good place to do not only science, art, gardening, but just to relax and be outside when you're outside. So we really appreciate the donation that we got.